What's up guys, my name's Joe.
I'm Donnie.
I'm Caleb.
And we're here today to test out our 3 drones. Let's do this.
Alright, so the first challenge is going to be who can get their drone in the air the fastest. I've got the DJI Spark and time is going to start now.
Now the Mavic Pro.
My favourite bit how it's still on the ground.
You're savage. Now it's time for the Mavic Air. 3, 2, 1, go. I think I've lost this one.
You may have. I've started laughing.
Ta-da!
Alright, so the next challenge is going to be who's got the quickest drone. So once again, I've got the DJI Spark and let's get at it.
Oh goodness me, 53.
And now it's the Mavic Pro.
Alright, now it's time for the top speed of the Mavic Air.
Alright, we're going to see how much weight they can lift. I don't think the Spark is going to be able to do this, so we're going to start off with a few less spanners. We're going to figure out how to hook it up, and then we're going to see how we go. There's a few things you shouldn't do with drones. This is probably one of them. We're going to give it a crack. I don't know if it's going to explode right near you, Donnie. Lift hard! Donnie, are you filming that madness?
Come back if you can.
I can't really fly, man. Yes! It's so buff! I don't know how I've convinced Joe to do this with his new drone. It is an absolutely terrible idea, but he's going to give it a crack.
Alright, here we go. And what's that beast? I'm gonna come back down.
Yeah, I would, because you don't want it swinging too much. Joe's got the most drone.
I forgot about that.
Bring it down, just come down slowly.
Don't do this at home, kids.
That's not a good idea.
No. G'day everyone, Warwick here from Underground FPV, and I'm here with the guys from Sweet As, and they've got a course that they've set up with their DJI drones. There's Caleb over here with his Spark, and Donnie with his Mavic Pro, and your Mavic Air. And I've got my Mavic Air as well, but I'm going to take my Lightning Pro, which I built myself. It's all kamikaze gear, and we're going to go run this track, which is going to go down this way. We're going to go through the goalposts, go left around the tree. I'm going to do a loop around the tree, maybe some upside down, then go back around behind these goalposts here, and we're going to end back here, and we're going to get a time, and then we're going to compare that time against the DJI stuff.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Yeah, and go.
Alright, so now it's my turn to take on that time in the Mavic Air. Let's see how I go. Alright, you ready?
Go around the tree.
It's a lot closer than I thought.
Yeah, you're really close to that tree. That's exciting.
Where's the goals gone? There they are.
Just watch out for the fence when you go behind them. Yeah. Track down to the other set.
And here we go.
Whoa.
So now I'm going to test out each of the drones with their video quality in the intelligent flight mode. So we're going to use Droney on each of them. So that's going to take them up and take them out. So we're going to get some nice footage, and let's give it a go.
Alright, so what we're going to do, we're just going to roll some footage straight from the DJI Air. We're going to run some specs through from all 3 drones. So if you are wondering which drone you wanted to purchase or just wanted to find out what's different between the 3, we're going to run them all through now. Let's hit it.
Guys, thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe to Caleb's channel, you can click here.
It's not that great.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel as well, you can click here. And if you want to watch some more videos, you can click around here as well. Alright guys, thanks.
Thanks guys.